Welcome back. Wife Cooks, Chris Eats, number 8. This time we're doing a beef hot pot. This is the sauce we have. A little bit of pork ribs and vegetables for the flavoring cooked earlier. Getting that simmering outside on the stove. We're gonna cook this beef sirloin in there. Some vegetables. Here we've got the beef in there already. Letting it cook. This is an induction stove. This is really handy. You need the right kind of pot to use with it, but it heats up really fast. Let's try out this meat.
Sharp.
A little bit of it out. There she goes. Very good, very tasty. It's only a little tough, but
Vegetable.
flavor's good. Mushroom good. We had too much sauce, so we couldn't really add too many vegetables all at once. So we put that in secondary. Now this particular one had a little funky color, so I had to keep it out. There. And trying a different view, my phone. Mouth with the chopsticks, the beef. Blow it off.
Vegetable here cũng long time.
Yeah. And some different vegetables in there. Some pea pods, some collard greens. Let that cook for a bit. Pull out this juicy tomato. Whoa! 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 That's too hot. I did beef instead.
Okay.
Tomato stores that hot liquid in there. The beef is just right. See y'all next time. Cheers.